At some point in your career, you probably took a personality assessment test to see if you were the right fit for that job. Sometimes I wonder why some of those people were fired. Was it their personality wasn't right? Or was it the personality test was incorrect? Somehow something changed. I also took some of those personality tests. I took the Colby test, I took the Myers-Briggs. I can't even remember what label they gave me. We humans are quick to put personalities onto people, not realizing that depending on the situation that they're in, depending on the circumstances, depending on the job or the role they're playing, or depending on the environment that they're in, all causes the personality to adjust. To shed some light as to why personality is not fixed, there was an infamous study done back in 1971 called the Stanford Prison Experiment, where they took volunteer students to be guards and prisoners. The test was supposed to be for 2 weeks. They had to cut the test short simply because the guards were very cruel to the prisoners. According to Zimbardo, the Stanford Prison Experiment showed that people's personality can change depending on the social circumstances or the social condition that they're in, which causes them to change. As well, the environment plays a major role. What's interesting is when you attach yourself to a particular trait, you literally put yourself in a box. That is, you believe that this is you, this is your personality, when in fact, studies have shown that personality changes depending, again, on the role that you're playing, the situation that you're in, or the environment that you are currently in. So if you were ever called stupid, lazy, messy, fat, worthless, isn't it time that you take those labels off? Just shed those labels so that you can become the person you were meant to be. Personality isn't fixed. So don't allow anyone to put labels on you. Refuse to wear the labels that other people gave you. Hi, my name is Zahida. I'm the author of the book You version 2.0. And I'm here to tell you that you have the ability to change your personality so that you can achieve your goal. So whatever label that you're wearing currently, you have the ability to shed those labels and transform yourself to a future version to accomplish your dreams, your desires, your goals, your mission. You have that ability. So here's to you becoming your best self, version 2.0. Cheers.